it's Hannah with WTI. If you are a fan of Shel Silverstein and his work, then you definitely need to get your hands on this copy of Don't Bump the Glump and Other Fantasies. This is the only all-color book from Shel Silverstein and is the first collection of his poetry. This is such a unique, beautiful book. It is filled with the iconic watercolor and ink illustrations straight from Shel Silverstein's mind. So many cute, funny poems about all kinds of imaginary animals, all from the brain of Shel Silverstein. From the terrible pheasants to the long-necked preposterous, the galloping gris, and the wild gazetti, this book is filled with the most creative imagination that you could find. I am such a huge fan of Shel Silverstein, and I could not recommend this book more. I think it is absolutely wonderful and a must-have for any library collection. And that is my point of view.